This is uh, practice paper number 4 of class 10th mathematics for standard, for the student who have opted standard mathematics. This is also useful for the student who have applied for basic mathematics, and this is section A. Actually, section A is very, very important because multiple choice questions are there, assertion reason questions are there, varieties of questions are there. So you have to practice with me, give the answer in advance. The questions will be shown on your screen. There will be 20 questions, and in the exams, you have to complete these 20 questions in maximum 30 minutes. But with me, you have to solve these questions, give the answer. This is टेस्ट कम प्रैक्टिस पेपर. आप प्रैक्टिस भी करेंगे, इसका टेस्ट भी आप एडवांस में दे सकते हैं. So this is the question number 1 is now on your screen. The nature of roots of the quadratic equation 9x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 is. आपको बताना है कि इसका nature of roots क्या है. For that, first of all, we have to find out the discriminant. This is the quadratic equation 9x square minus 6x minus 2. So we have to identify the coefficient of x square, that is a, that is 9, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to minus 2. Now, discriminant, that is d, that is b square minus 4ac. In place of b, put 9. Put minus 6. Minus as it is, in place of 4a, in place of a put 9, in place of c put minus 2. Calculate, it is 36 plus 72, that is 108. Then let me know what kind of solution, what kind of nature of the quadratic equation will be. क्या होगा ये यहाँ पे? Because the discriminant is 108. To get the nature of root, we decide whether the discriminant is 0, greater than 0, equal to 0, or less than 0. But here, this is greater than 0. So, since the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, that is greater than 0, that is why the roots are real and distinct. There will be two roots because it is a quadratic equation. The degree is 2, therefore there will be two roots. But what kind of roots will be? They will be distinct. Distinct means different. तो इसके दो रियल रूट होंगे और दोनों ही अलग अलग होंगे, डिफरेंट होंगे. So I think the C is the correct option. Which term of the given AP 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 7 is minus 40? कौन से नंबर की टर्म minus 40 होगा? First term is given 2, the common difference is minus 1. They take the second term minus first term, that is. So, according to question, the first term is 2, and the common difference D is second term minus first term. So, minus 1 is the second term, 2 is the first term. So, second term minus first term, that is minus 3. A is 2, means the first term is 2. The common difference is minus 3. So, now using the formula, an nth term, there are total n terms. So, the nth term means the term on the nth place, that is minus 40. मान लीजिए, सपोज करिए इसमें n terms हैं and the nth term is minus 40, it is given. So, then using the formula for the nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d to d, that is nth term. Formula to be used for the value of a, that is 2, n minus 1 as it is. In the place of d, put minus 3, and in place of nth term, put minus 40. And now calculate yourself for the value of n. N की value आप find out करिएगा. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 3 is equal to this minus 40, you transpose this 2 left to right side becomes minus 2. So minus 40 and minus 2, that is minus 42. Now what to do? We have this equation. You cancel out here. Minus 42 divided by minus 3, that is 14. So n minus 1 will be equal to 14. So what will be the value of n? So n is 15. So we can say C is the correct option. So the 15th term of this given AP is minus 40, and this is answer of this question. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, tan A is equal to 1. Then what will be the value of 2 sin A cos A? See how to do? We have tan A is equal to 1. And what is the value of 1 in 10? 10 of which angle is 1? We know tan 45 is 1. So in place of 1, we can write tan 45. So now we have to compare here. Tan A is equal to 1. That is tan A is equal to tan 45. That is why the value of A will be 45. आप A की जगह 45 लिख दीजिएगा. The angle A, that is 45 degree. So now the angle A is 45 degrees. So now 2 sin A cos A, 2 as it is, sin 45 in place of a 45 degree, cos also 45. What is value of sin 45 and what is value of cos 45? You put the value and get answer. 2 as it is, sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 upon square root 2. Root 2 and root 2, that is 2, 2 and 2 this cancel. So that is 1. So the value is P. The value of 2 sin A cos A will be 1 in this case. That's all for this question. The given linear polynomial, that is y is equal to p of x has, देखिए मैं इसको विजुलाइज करता हूँ. ये एक ग्राफ है, दैट इज पोलिनोमियल px, और इसके ऑप्शंस हैं. It has 2 zeros and zeros are 3 and 0. B 1 0 and the 0 is 3. C 1 0 and the 0 is 4. And D 1 0 and the 0 is 0. Student, we know that the x coordinate when the graph where intersect the x-axis means their y will be 0. The x coordinate is the 0 of the given polynomial. Here you will see that x coordinate is 3. Y is 0. कोई भी ग्राफ जो x एक्सिस पे कट करता है तो y का वैल्यू, द y coordinate is always 0 that on x axis. So the x coordinate is said to be is called the 0 of the given polynomial here. So there is only 1 0 and the 0 is 3. So P is the correct option. The area of the shaded region is, and the shaded region is this. बट व्हाट आर द डायमेंशंस, का क्या रेडियस और क्या विड्थ दे रखा है, ये shaded region है. और देखिए ये इसका जो विड्थ है दो सर्कल के बीच का जो ये डिस्टेंस है बाउंड्री का, दैट इज 4.5 सेंटीमीटर, एंड व्हाट इज रेडियस ऑफ इनर सर्कल, दैट इज 31 सेंटीमीटर. देखिए, दिस इज अ सर्कल, its radius is 31 centimeter, and the width this here to here, that is 4.5 centimeter. So the radius of the outer circle will be 31 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter, that is 35.5 centimeter. Then we have to find out the area of this shaded region. The radius of the larger circle is 31 plus 4.5, that is 35.5 centimeter. Area of the path means shaded region, that is area of larger circle minus area of inner circle. Area of path pi, capital R means outer circle radius is 35.5 whole square, and pi, the area of inner circle is pi r square, but the radius of inner circle is 31 centimeter. You just have to simplify and get your answer. Take pi common, 35.5 whole square minus 31 whole square. But now what to do? Use the formula x square minus y square, that is x minus y, x plus y, to simplify it. So pi as it is 35.5 plus 31, x plus y, and x minus y. Using the formula, a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Using the algebraic identity, pi as it is 35.5 plus 31, that is 66.5, and this 35.5 minus 31, that is 4.5. In place of pi, put 22/7 and 66.5 and 4.5. I think now you can calculate and get answer. Hurry up, calculate it, simplify it, and write the answer. That is 940.5 centimeters square. So P is the correct option. In the given triangle, this AB is parallel to DE. It is given. AB is A, BE is B, CE is C, and DE is X. We have to write X in terms of A, B, and C. X का वैल्यू क्या होगा यहाँ पे? देखिए, जब ये दो लाइन पैरेलल है तो हमें ये देखना पड़ेगा कि देखिए, when the two lines are parallel, means this line is parallel to this line. When two lines are parallel, it means corresponding angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angle, and this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angles, and this angle is common. That is why we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. Or by BPT, you can also write, by BPT, we can say that CE upon BE is equal to CD upon DA is equal to DE upon AB. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding sides is same. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC by angle rule of similarity. Or when two triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding sides is same. So, using basic proportionality theorem, ABC is similar to triangle DEC. So CE upon BC is equal to CD upon AC is equal to DE upon AB. ये corresponding sides का रेशियो सेम हुआ. हम ये दोनों दो साइड लेना चाह रहे हैं, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. CE upon BC is equal to DE upon AB. So what to do? So CE X upon A is equal to C upon B plus C. AB is B plus C. BCC, DE is X. AB is A. CE is C. BC is B plus C. ये हमने पहले लिखा और ये बाद में लिखा है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करिए. X is equal to AC upon B plus C. So here you can say this is the correct option. That's all for this question. Very important, very simple question. The theta means the angle is given 15 degree, and then we have to calculate cos 3 theta minus 2 cos 4 theta upon cosine 3 theta plus 2 cos 4 theta. इसका क्या वैल्यू होगा of the following from the following means answers? How to do? Here the angle theta is 15 degree. So here put in place of theta put 15, here you put 15, here you put 15, and here you also put 15. So 15 into 3, that is 45. 15 into 4, that is 46. Similarly, we can write sine 45 and 2 cos 60 degree. Now we know cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Put the value and get answer. So simple. Can you simplify? Take LCM, square root of root 2. Denominator also take square root of root 2. Now this root 2 and root 2 cancel out. What is left? 1 upon root 2. One upon root 2 minus upon 1 plus root 2. That is left. So answer is 1 minus root 2 upon 1 plus root 2. I think D is the correct option. That's all for this question. What is the ratio in which the line segment joining with the coordinates 2, minus 3 and 5, 6 is divided by the x-axis? x-axis इस लाइन सेगमेंट को जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स गिवन है किस रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है, ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है. इसको विजुलाइज करते हैं. देखिए ये एक्स एक्सिस है, और ये 0.2, -3 और ये 5, 6 आपको एक्यूरेट कोऑर्डिनेट में बनाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए ये मैंने फिगर बनाया है। इन द एग्जाम यू नीड नॉट ड्रॉ दिस diagram if it is an objective type of question, but yes, if it is subjective type of question, then you have to draw it. ये 2, -3 और ये 5, 6 कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं। ये एक लाइन सेगमेंट है जो इन दोनों पॉइंट को ज्वाइन कर रहा है। ये एक्सिस है। ये एक्सिस इस जगह पे द लाइन सेगमेंट, द एक्स एक्सिस intersect at this point. We want to find out what is ratio of this and this. ये किस रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है? हमने कहा मान लीजिए कि ये k:1 रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है, मीन्स k दिस साइड एंड 1 दिस साइड। Let's divide in the ratio k:1. Then using the section formula and let the coordinate of this x, 0, because on x-axis the y coordinate is always 0. That is why we have written here in place of y coordinate 0, because this is x-axis. Using section formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, here we have taken m1k and m2 1. ये हमने रेशियो लिया है m1 की जगह k and in place of m2 1. So we need here the y coordinate here is 0. x1 2, sorry, y1, sorry. Then taking y coordinate, actually y, और y के लिए ये y2 और y1 होना चाहिए था. I took here x2 x1, that was wrong, so I have done it correct now. मैंने अब इसको करेक्ट बना लिया है. Why we are taking y here? Because the value of y is given. That is why we cannot take for the ratio x here, because the value of x is not given. ये बिल्कुल ध्यान रखने की बात है कि हम y का क्यों ये सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहे हैं. Because here the value of y is given. We know the value of y, it is known. Y put 0, k as it is, y to 6, this y to 6, and y1 -3 divided by k plus 1. Now see to it that when k plus 1 on cross multiplication multiplied by 0 becomes 0. That is why we can write 6k. See here, 6k, that is 3. When this 3 -3 plus 1 is transposed other side, it becomes plus. So what is the value of k? So k is equal to 1/2. तो किस रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है? So you can write it divides in the ratio 1:2. That's all for this question. Write the value of k for which the system of equation x plus ky is equal to 0 and 2x minus y has unique solution. What will be the value for of k? First of all, we have to identify a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. What is a1? 1. What is b1? K. What is c1? 0. What is a2? 2. What is b1? -1. And what is c2? 0. What is condition for unique solution? a1 upon a2 should not be equal to b1 upon b2. So first of all, we get a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. And then we write the condition a1 upon a2 should not be equal to b1 upon b2. So 1 by 2 should not be equal to k upon minus 1. So on cross multiplication, k should not be equal to minus 1 by 2. So so C is the correct option. If the quadratic equation to x square plus bx plus 8 is equal to 0 have known real roots, इसके roots real नहीं है, then the value of b should be, तब इसकी b की value क्या होगी? Very good question, very very good question. So what is the solution of it? See how to do this. First we write the condition for non-real roots. What is the quadratic equation to x square plus bx plus 8 is equal to 0? And the condition for non-real roots should be, that is discriminant should be negative, means it should be less than 0. Here discriminant is b square minus 4ac should be less than 0 in place of b square, because b is b. In place of a you put 2, in place of b we put 8, and put in this formula, put in this condition, b square minus 4ac should be equal to less than 0. On further simplification, b square minus 64 should be less than 0. Factorize left hand side, a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So b plus 8 and b minus 8 should be less than 0. Now it has become very, very important how to do next part of it, because here we see that the product of the two numbers is less than 0. It means out of the two numbers, one is positive, other is negative. If b plus 8 is positive, b minus 8 should be negative. Or if b plus 8 is negative, b minus 8 should be positive, because negative into positive, that is negative. इन दोनों factors में से एक factor negative है. How to solve it? So I am giving you trick for this. ऐसे क्वेश्चन में पहले इनको put each factor equal to 0, means b plus 8 is equal to 0, so b minus 8 find out करें. Put b minus 8 is equal to 0, then b will be 8. दो वैल्यू हमने दोनों फैक्टर्स के इक्वल 0 पुट के फाइंड आउट की. One value is minus 8 and other value is b is equal to plus 8. इन दोनों वैल्यू के लिए फिर हम एक नंबर लाइन लेते हैं. देखिए, ये हमने एक नंबर लाइन ली. ये इन दोनों नंबर्स में से प्लस 8 और माइनस 8 में से दोनों नंबर लिखा. ये प्लस 8 ग्रेटर वैल्यू इधर की तरफ, देन दिस इज प्लस. Smaller value here, that is plus, and in between this is minus. Plus, minus, plus. Greater value this side, smaller value this side. Since this is less than 0, so negative value will be there. So for this, this value will be here. This value. ये value. Means the value of b should be greater than minus 8 and less than plus 8. बीच में का मतलब ये हुआ कि ये जो वैल्यू होगी, ये जो वैल्यू होगी b का, वो यू कैन राइट हियर b. The value of b should be greater than minus 8 and less than plus 8. कोई वैल्यू है यहाँ पे? Yes, this one. So you can write here. जो b की वैल्यू होगा माइनस 8 और प्लस 8 के बीच में कोई वैल्यू होगा, और यही इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है. दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. A quadrilateral PQRS is drawn to circumscribe a circle if PQ is 12 centimeter, QR 15 centimeter, RS 14 centimeter. Find the length of SP. That is what? क्वेश्चन को विजुलाइज करते हैं. देखिए, एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, एक सर्कल को सर्कमस्क्राइब करता है, मीन सर्कल को टच करता है. तो इसकी जो साइड है, द साइड्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल हैव बिकम द टेंजेंट्स नाउ. देखिए, सी, this PQ is tangent, this QR is tangent, RS tangent, and PS is also tangent. In that case, what we do? We know that when a quadrilateral circumscribe a circle, then sum of opposite side is same. So RS plus QP is equal to PS प्लस QR. जब कोई क्वाड्रिलेटरल किसी सर्कल को सर्कमस्क्राइब करता है, मीन्स क्वाड्रिलेटरल की साइड जब टेंजेंट बन जाती है, उस केस में अपोजिट साइड्स का सम सेम होता है. तो सी हियर, PQ प्लस RS is equal to PS plus QR. Please mind it. Very good question. कई बार ये आता भी है कि प्रूव दैट PQ प्लस RS इज इक्वल टू PS प्लस QR. This is question of your NCERT textbook. Value put करिए. 12 plus 14 is equal to x plus 15 because PS is x. What is value of x? X is 11 centimeters, so B is the correct option. 11 centimeter answer. What is the value of sec A plus tan A multiplied by 1 minus sin A? Sec A plus tan A multiplied by 1 minus sin A. Sec A, you can write 1 upon cos A. Tan A, you can write sin A upon cos A, 1 minus sin A as it is. Now you take the LCM, that is cos A. So 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. Now 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A, that is 1 minus sin square A upon cos A. But 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. So cos square A upon cos A, that is cos A. So what is the answer? B is the correct option. Suppose mean of 10 observation is 20. If we add 5 in each observation, then what is the new mean? कोई भी observation हो, जो भी number, जो how to find out the new mean, that is the original mean is 10, and we add each the 5 to each observation. There are 10 observation. It doesn't matter कितने भी observation है, इससे कोई matter नहीं होता, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It does not matter. 10 ऑब्जर्वेशन का मीन 20 है, और हर एक ऑब्जर्वेशन में 5 ऐड कर दें, तो नया मीन कितना होगा? व्हाट विल बी द न्यू मीन? सो व्हाट इज द रूल? 20 में से जो भी इस टर्म में ऐड किया जाता है वो नंबर ऐड कर दीजिएगा. तो 20 इज द ओरिजिनल मीन एंड 5 इज एडेड टू ईच ऑब्जर्वेशन, सो 25 विल बी द न्यू मीन. तो original mean plus the number added to each observation, that is 20 plus 5, that is 25. So A is the correct option. If subtracted, then subtract the number from the original mean. If each number is divided by 5, the new mean will be 20 upon 5. If each number is multiplied by 5, the new mean will be original mean into 5. So please keep in mind, sometimes this type of questions are also there in the exam. If the common difference of an AP is 5, then the value of the 18th term minus 13th term. What will be the difference of 18th term of and 13th term of this AP? Common difference D is 5, it is given here. 18 term minus 15 term using the nth term formula, that is equal to A plus 17D minus A plus 20D, 12D. Further opening A plus 17D minus A minus 12D. This A and A cancel, 17D minus 12D, that is 5D. What is the value of D? The value of D is 5. Put here D is equal to 5 and get answer. So 5 5s are 25. So C is the correct option. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is, एक circle है उसका perimeter means circumference और उसका area equal है, then what is the radius of the circle? This is our question. Radius of the circle be r. So perimeter of the circle is area of circle, it is given. Perimeter of circle is 2 pi r and area of circle is pi r square. Cancel pi and pi, r by r. So what will be the value of r? So the value of r will be 2. So it will be 2 units. This is answer. That's all for this question. A solid ball is exactly fitted inside a cubical box of size to a unit. What is the volume of the ball? A ball is means the shape of ball is spherical. So see, we have to visualize it. Say ये एक cubical box है और इसके अंदर ये ball means exactly fit है. This side means this is 2A, this is 2A and this is also 2A. क्यूब का जो साइड है, ईच साइड है वो 2A यूनिट है. वी कैन राइट, इसको हम यूं भी लिख सकते हैं कि द डायमीटर इज 2A. देखिए कैसे, ये 2A, दिस इज 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 2A. You will notice here that the diameter is same. Diameter is equal to the side of the cube in this case because the sphere, the ball is exactly fitted. So the diameter is 2A, the side is 2A. That is why the radius will be a half of it. That is A. And now we know that the volume of a ball, a spherical ball is 4 upon 3 pi, 4 upon 3 pi into radius cube. So 4 upon 3 pi and radius is A. So 4 upon 3 pi A cube. Yes, this is. I think both are the same answer. So you can mark this one. That's all for this question. This is also same. There is a complete shaded square board of side 2A. एक side 2A है इसका. This 2A, this 2A, this 2A, this 2A, 2A units. Circumscribing a shaded circles. जो shaded circle है इसको touch करता है. Anika is asked to keep a dot on the above said board. इस board पे अनिका को ये बोला गया है कि you have to put a dot. The probability that she keeps the dot on the complete shaded region. इस complete shaded region पे वो dot रखेंगी. What is the probability of it? Say the A side is 2A and the diameter is also 2A. So the radius of the circle is half of the diameter, that is A. So area of complete shaded region plus area of shaded region, that is the area of square. ये जो पूरा स्क्वायर है उसका एरिया दिस वन प्लस दिस वन है. So area of the board means square is 4A square. Total area यहां से लेके यहां तक A B C D इसका एरिया है 4A स्क्वायर. अब हमें इसका एरिया चाहिए, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ सर्कल? फर्स्ट वी गेट द रेडियस, area of the complete area of a square board minus area of circle, that is 4A square minus pi A square. Because area of circle is pi into a radius square, so here radius is A, that is why that is A square common 4 minus pi. Which region we are, this is required, see here, this, that is this one. So required probability, area of complete shaded region divided by total area. So that is A square 4 minus pi. Total area is 4 pi 4 into A square. Because it is a square, area of a square is 4 in, side into side, that is 4A square. A square को A square से कट करिए, that is 4 minus pi upon 4. So, sorry. This is answer of this question. The upper limit of the model class of the given distribution is the height in centimeter below 140 centimeter, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165 centimeter. And the number of boys 4, 11, 29, 40, 46, 51. Students, see, we have to, this is less than type of frequency distribution. So first of all, we have to convert into normal frequency distribution. So for that, what this is cumulative frequency actually. Cumulative frequency से पहले हमें frequency find out करना होगा. उसके लिए हमें एक कॉलम बनाना होगा और ये देखिए F है. कैसे करते हैं? For as it is 11 minus 4, इसमें से subtract करिए, that is 7. 29 minus 11, that is 18. 40 minus 29, that is 11. 46 minus 40, that is 6. 51 minus 46, that is 5. अब आपको ये देखना है कि इसमें हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी किसकी है. Here you will see that this is the highest frequency. And here you will see that that is the upper limit. So this is the upper limit. अगर आपसे पूछते कि लोअर लिमिट क्या होता, तो देखिए हम इसको कैसे करते. ये 135 to 140, 140 to 145, 145 to 150. Because but in the question it is upper limit. So upper limit is 150. So we can say that 150, that is the correct answer of this question. That's all for this question. Assertion region questions. All regular polygons of the same number of sides as equilateral triangle, square, etc. are similar. Yes. Regular polygon means all sides must be equal and all angles are also equal. For triangle, equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and each angle is 60 degree, means all angles are equal. For square, all sides are equal and all angles are also equal because each angle is 90 degrees. So the first statement assertion is correct. Then what is the reason? If two polygons are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and length of corresponding sides are in proportion. Yes, ये तो rule ही होता है. So this is also the rule of means the similar figures. So both A and are correct, and R is the correct explanation of it. So we can say that that A is the correct answer. Minus 15, minus 12.5, minus 10. Are these in arithmetic progression? Yes, because the common difference that is uh, plus 2.5. So yes, assertion is correct. Number two, the terms of the arithmetic progression cannot be a negative ration numbers. Yes, no, no, no. The terms of arithmetic progression can be negative or positive, rational or irrational number. It doesn't matter. So R is not correct. A is correct. Means assertion is true, but reason is not true. So C is the correct option. C is the correct option. That's all. For this question. Thanks.